Hi everyone, today I'm going to explain the second type of adjective, and that is the demonstrative adjective. As you can see on the screen that there are mainly four types like this, that, these or those. Demonstrative adjectives are same just like the demonstrative pronouns because they are used to modify the nouns or the pronouns. ये nouns और pronouns को modify भी करते हैं, and the second thing is they tell us that the noun or the pronoun is singular or plural in number, and they also tells us about its position like they are near or far. So four examples I've earlier told you that this, that, these, those, four examples are there. For like this canoe is made up of wood and leather. Canoe here is the noun boat, and this canoe is made up of wood and leather. This is giving us the information about the noun canoe. Next is these canoes, means here the nouns are plural in number and there are near. So these canoes are made up of aluminium. Let's have some more examples of this. Like this bench is made of mild steel metal. This is defining about the noun bench. That building looks so big and beautiful. This shows that the noun building here is very far. It is single in number. So that is used here. These kinds of situations occur daily in metro cities. These means in this sentence, these demonstrative adjective is used for the plural in number, and few of those are not drinking the champagne. Those are used in the plural number as they are far. That car might be a Mercedes E-Class. Those birds are going back to their nests. These are my business partners. This property belongs under the government authorization of this week. With these examples, we can easily understood that mainly four examples are there for the demonstrative adjective, that is the this, that, these or those. But this we must understand that these four examples also matters that the noun is far or near. This tells us about the position of the noun or the pronoun, that if they are near and single in number then we use this, and if they are plural in number then we use these, and if they are far in position then for single we use that, and for plural we use those. In this way we can use the demonstrative adjectives. And the second thing is that these demonstrative adjectives are always used for the nouns and the pronouns, and they modifies it, they describes the nouns. Let's have some more examples. Like give me that blue water bottle. That is used for the noun bottle, and that is single in number but it is far in position. This time I won't fail you. This, I want those gorgeous marbles. I wanted to propose you that day. These mangoes are rotting. I can't forget that incident. Those people were mean to her, and I cannot give you money at this moment. So again I'm repeating, in these sentences this, that, these, those all are the demonstrative adjectives here. And let's have some examples for the singular as well as the plural. Like those are flowers. If the noun is far in position then we use those because it is plural in number. Next is these are dogs, plural in number but position is very near. That is a dog, position again far but single in number. This is a flower, position is near, so we use this. So this way we have to understand the concept that if the noun is near then we use this. If it is singular in number we use these. If that is far away but plural in number, then again if the thing is far then we use that, and if it is plural in number then those. So same way singular and plural positions are there. If the single is there and the thing is near, then this. And if it is plural, then these. Again, for far, if it is single, then we use that, and if it is plural, then we use those. So in this way we use this, that, these, those, because these are the main four main examples of the demonstrative adjectives. Let's have some more examples. Like, this is a book if it is single and near. These are the books if it is near but plural. Then that and those for the position that is very far away, for single that, and for plural those. Like these 4 chairs in the other room, these coins in my hand, that desk over there, this pencil in the desk. So this way we must understood if the position of the noun depends on the number also. Let's have some more examples. Like for near and far, for near this, far that. If they are plural in number, then for near these, and for plural those. So in this way we use these demonstrative adjectives. I hope this concept is clear to you, and for more clarification you can go through the next picture also. Again, the this, that, these, those. नज़दीक के लिए this or these, और दूर के लिए that and those. That depends on the number of the noun. So demonstrative adjectives, this, that, these, those, 4 examples are there, and they depends on the position, where is the noun or the pronoun. I hope you understand this concept, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you understood this, and don't forget to like and subscribe.